Welcome again to Naturally ISIS, and I'm holding a class with one of my students, Alicia, and I'm doing and repairing Nikki's hair, and I have beautiful Shantina over here with her sister locks, and I'm about to tighten her locks in just a second, but I want to share something with you in this class. Take a look at the grade of Nikki's hair. This is what I want you to look at. See how fine it is, how curly it is? Well, the way her hair is growing, it's growing around the lock. So what I'm gonna do, and this is what I want you to take a close look at, braid the loose hair around her lock. Like this, all the way around, all the way. Okay? And remember earlier we were doing on one of the other YouTube videos where we're doing the lock tightening. Now we're doing lock repair. So I took that new hair and I wrapped it around. And then you just take it and wrap it around the lock. You spray some of the Sisters of ISIS product and you palm roll. Now what I want you to look at is how when you don't tighten your hair for 4 months, and you have very soft grade of hair, this is what happens. The weight of the lock at the bottom pulls on the hair at the scalp, at the roots. So what we're gonna do, this is really thin, so the consistency is different, okay? So what we're gonna do is take a little bit of human repair hair, and it looks like this, okay? I'm gonna take just a little bit of it, and I'm going to fold it just enough to wrap it with, right? I'm taking it right where it's breaking, and I'm wrapping, then I braid, then I wrap, very thin piece so that the width is all even. Then I braid, then I wrap, I braid, I wrap. And you're listening to my single that should be coming out real soon.
What's the name?
Twist Locks, Twist Locks.
What's the inspiration for the song, Isis?
The inspiration for the song is to be an advocate for natural hair, for braids, locks, and twists. And no matter what, don't let anyone stop you from twisting and locking and braiding hair. It's your heritage, it's your crown. It's what God gave you. See what I'm doing? Wrapping, wrapping, wrapping. So you see, now we close the gap. And it's not fat, it's not too much weight. It's just enough. And you want to take it and go over it once more with very little hair, and this time spray a little ISIS leave-in conditioner, and then you're just going to braid it on top, but it's very thin amount of hair, so you don't see it.
It smells like lemons.
That's the Sisters of ISIS lemongrass product.
Let me see the
for
label.
leave-in conditioner.
Let's see. It's not focusing. There we go. Sisters of ISIS. Okay.
Okay. So now you have a repaired lock. I'll catch you guys next time. Naturally ISIS. Thank you.
What's your signature sign off?
Naturally ISIS. Bye.